So it's school holiday, and after work today we went out for dinner. The kids wanted fish and chips, and that's exactly what we had. LJ's fish and chips, so good. It's at the base Tiawa.
You're gonna get.
We didn't even see. Thank you.
Please. Do it to mine. Just do it to my face.
Oh, look at it.
Así que trépate,